Here I have ALCATEL U3, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the sound section, sounds and notification, and here you have phone ringtone. You can select one of the pre-installed ringtones here. You can go to the more ringtones and just select any other MP3 file on your device and set it as a ringtone. But as you can see, I don't have a lot of files, so I'll just select one of the preset one. Let's listen to some of them. Oh, this one is slaps. So that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.